I'm often asked, how good is the quality of your speech analytics? And what people mean by that is, can the speech analytics accurately transcribe every word that's said perfectly, or as close as possible? And the answer is, well, take a look online. You'll see varying degrees of achievement, often in the 90% range for voice, that is telephony, speech analytics. And the reason for that is simple. We're operating in a world where people are using mobile phones typically, or often in a noisy environment. There's cars going past, people talking, birds flying around and so on, number one. Number two, the bit rate of a public switch telephone network, so just using a regular phone, is not anywhere near as high, 9.6K if you want to know, but not anywhere near as high as the bit rate you get when using your phone, so one of the apps on your phone to do the same thing. Does it matter though? And the answer is no, because the purpose of post-call speech analytics is not to get perfect transcription. The purpose is to find out at a macro level what people are talking about. So let me give you an example. Supposing you're interested at a business level in how many times in the last week or month, or every week for the last 6 weeks, competitors have been mentioned, or people have called and moaned or complained about a version of a product release that you've made. You're interested in figures like this. Last week, 8% of people who called mentioned product A version Y. The previous week it was 12%, the previous week it was 15%. Now that is interesting information. If you combine it with your CRM data, so you've done the transcription multilingually, or in many languages, into push to text into your CRM, and you've got some left and right text. If you combine that with your CRM data, so you know something about the person or the company who's called, now you're able to provide real value. So of those people raising issues about this product, some of them are in this country, some of them had that product previously, some of them operate in this particular industry, and that is valuable. Now yes, it's then possible using a dashboard to click and click and click and refine and come down to, well, these 60 calls are actually exhibiting the behavior we're interested in. Now you can click on some of those and actually look at the transcription, or better still, listen to the call. So the quality of the transcription is not designed and can never be perfect. It is the macro data, the real information and insight we get that is much more interesting.